So you guys think WhatsApp is making life easier for a whole lot of people. Now wait until you hear the next feature they are planning to introduce. Now WhatsApp is planning to introduce on its messaging platform an instant payment system where we will be able to pay to other businesses and other individuals straight from our WhatsApp. That means sending a payment will be as easy as sending a text message that we're doing now. Oh yes, it will be more like our EcoCash, our Telecash, our FNB e-wallet systems. It will be like one of those instant payments platform, but only that this time it's WhatsApp. Okay, guys, on a more serious note, we have got already existing platforms that allow us to pay, of course, money to individuals and companies with such ease. That includes EcoCash, Telecash, FNB e-wallets and other e-wallet services around the globe where you just send your money and they send you a digit pin and then you can go to an ATM and get your money. Now WhatsApp is taking this a step further. It is going to make it easy because we will be using the WhatsApp platform that we use to send messages. We will be able to actually use it to send payments. So this is already being done in Brazil in the latest update that was given to the Brazilians. Now, of course, the payments, you will be able to make them to individuals and to businesses that will actually accept the digital payments through the WhatsApp. However, for businesses, they'll have to pay a processing fee to actually be allowed to transact using the app. But however, for individuals, it will still be free. Now, of course, like every other platform out there, you will of course be asked to enter either a digit pin, which is about 6 numbers, and then you will also, if there is a fingerprint function on your laptop or on your device, you can also use that instead of using the pin. So yeah, that's the good thing about this. Now you guys have to understand that Brazil is the second biggest WhatsApp market in the world behind India, and it is around 120 million people using it each month. And if this actually succeeds, this means that WhatsApp is going to be rolling out this update to the rest of the 2 billion people around the world who actually use it. Now, this is very beneficial to us in this era of social distancing and distancing each other and trying to avoid, you want to have that hassle to actually pick the money using your nails and stuff like that. But yeah, that's it, guys, for today. See you guys later.